Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to update secure folder in Galaxy F70 Pro. Just watch the video till end and follow the steps one by one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.